Hey guys, welcome back to VibsTech. This is Vibhav and today I have Jio Phone 3. So let's unbox it and see what it contains in the box and how's the phone overall. But before that, let's look at the phone box. So if you look at the back side of the box, it has Jio services listed and phone specifications. It has 2.4-inch TFT display, VGA camera, 1500 mAh battery, 512 MB RAM and 4 GB memory, and it has SD card slot, so you can insert up to 128 GB memory card, and also it has 3.5 mm audio jack. And if we talk about features, it has voice calls and even video call, 4G internet browsing, multi language support. You can either select Hindi, English and other regional languages. It has GPS, wireless FM radio and voice assistant, and that is Jio's voice assistant, and it runs on Kai OS. Okay, so here's the Jio Phone 3. Let's keep it aside for a moment. Also, you get some documentation for Jio Phone guide, and you get this 1500 mAh battery and a 5-watt micro USB charger. Now let's look at the phone. So the overall phone looks quite good considering it is a feature phone. So let's insert the battery. Okay, so I have inserted the battery. Let's turn it on. Okay, once you turn on the phone, it will show the welcome message in multiple languages, and it will show that it is booting up. Okay, it takes some time to start. So it says Jio Phone powered by Kai OS. Okay, if you boot the phone for the first time, it will ask you to select the language. You can select English, Gujarati, Hindi or any other language. So I would select English here. Once you press the select button, you'll get the menu. You can see you have call log, contacts, messages, Facebook and other applications. Okay, now coming to the Jio Phone 2021 offer. For new Jio Phone users, there are two offers. One is if you pay 1499 rupees, you get 2 GB per month for 1 year, and if you pay 1999, you get 2 GB data for 24 months and unlimited calling. And for existing Jio Phone users, you can recharge with 749 rupees and you get 2 GB data per month for 1 year. Also, Reliance Jio has introduced a new range of data vouchers for Jio Phone users, starting from 22 rupees to 152 rupees. For 22 rupees, you get 2 GB data for 28 days. For 52 rupees, you get 6 GB data, 28 days validity. For 72 rupees, you get 0.5 GB data per day for 28 days, that is about 14 GB data. And for 102 rupees you get 1 GB data per day for 28 days, and for 152 rupees you get 2 GB data per day for 28 days. Okay, so this is the Jio Phone and its offer, and I would say this is quite impressive offer. So if you're looking for any feature phone or any secondary phone for yourself or for family members, you can definitely look at the Jio Phone 3. So that's it for this video. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.